Good afternoon, everybody. Now we have a lesson about commas with introductory elements. Okay? Let's check the rules of using commas with introductory elements. Use commas after certain introductory elements. Number one, use a comma to set off a mild exclamation such as well, or why. Other introductory words such as yes and no are also set off by commas. Number two, let's see an example about the first rule. Oh, how I love the winter time. After oh, we should put a comma as well. Oh, why? Yes or no. No, I don't know how to ice skate. Rule number two, use a comma after an introductory participle or participial phrase. Look, putting on her skates. She joined us on the ice. Here we have a participial phrase. Putting on her skates is followed by a comma. Rule number three, use a comma after two or more introductory prepositional phrases or after one long one. Look at the example. In the corner, this is the first. Of the far end, the second prepositional phrase. The rule says two or more. We have the third one. Of the ring. And then a comma. She fell. Rule number four, use a comma after an introductory adverb clause. Look, when Hank's cousin offered us a ride. Okay, we were grateful. Now, let's see the first exercise, exercise A. Read the heading together. Add commas where they are needed in each of the following sentences. If a sentence is already correct, write C before the item number. Okay? Look at the example. Waiting in line for tickets. The tourists became bored and impatient. Here we have a participial phrase which is followed by a comma and then the rest of the sentence. Right? Okay, number one. Read number one and add a comma. Entering the store. Then a comma. Number two. At the beginning of the Raiders. Yes. Good. After arc. Put a comma after arc before ending. See number three. Yes, exactly. Put a comma. Okay, number three, rushing to answer the phone and then put a comma. Number four is correct. Number four is correct, but we have another answer. We can add a comma after the word day. In number four, we have two possibilities. Either to leave it as it is because it is correct, or add a comma, insert a comma after the word day. For number five, yes, read number five. Nearly blended, yes, okay, read it. Okay, after the word snow. That's right. In number 6, yes, while we were attending the concert, add a comma, insert a comma before we. Number 7. We said after yes and no, we should add a comma. So we put a comma after yes. And then another comma before give. Okay? Before give me a call. After it. So we have two commas after yes and after it. In number 8, read number 8, my dear, carefully. Yes, we have to add a comma after Mexico. In number 9, yes, good, a comma before we. Before we have a subordinate clause here, okay, which is followed by a comma after the word exemption. And in number 10, it's correct. Number 10 is correct. Okay, guys, let's see exercise B. Add commas where they are needed in each of the following sentences. If a sentence is correct, write C before the item number. Yes, this is the example, once the concert began, the audience fell silent. Okay, we have another subordinate clause. Okay, number 1. Number 1. Yes, good. Yeah, after the word introduction, add a comma before that. Number 12. We have to add a comma after the word mountain because we have at least 2 prepositional phrases. On the side, this is the first, of the mountain, this is the second. Then, if you have a third, we will put a comma after the third. But here, we don't have the third one. We have just 2. Number 13, Goth. Yes. After Goth, because it's a direct speech. So, the last one, 15, excellent. Rolling down the grassy hill, and then a comma, the children laughed and shouted. Okay, participial phrase, yeah. Okay, guys, thank you so much.